Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up a secure folder on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you are using Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone and now you want to set up a secure folder, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open Google Files app installed on your phone. Just open it and here look for save folder here, select it, and here you just have to make a password, pattern or pin which you want, as I have already created one. Just enter it and then your save folder will be opened. Here you can see I have already saved a video. You can easily move your private videos or photos here. Just select any video, keep a long pass on it, then select three dots in the top right corner, select move to save folder, and here you just have to enter your pattern, and after that just go back, go to save folder, enter your password or pattern, and you will easily get your all secured videos or photos here. So that's how you can easily set up a secure folder on your Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video, and next video, bye bye.